So this is your guys' new candy drop roller, and you're going to be reacting to somebody else restoring one.
Cool.
So just press the spacebar whenever you're ready.
Oh, I am ready.
Cool. I like this.
Restore and rescue. T. Mills and Brothers.
Yeah.
Got a little cracked handle.
Oh, it's cool.
Looks like it's in pretty good shape, though.
Yeah. Yeah, that's in good
All the
shape.
gears are working. Okay, nothing's rusted on. That's a good sign.
Oh,
What are you doing? Did you mean to do that?
well, he's brave. Oh, wow.
That's going to be a little more difficult, probably. Getting that screw out.
Yeah, I tried to move the ones we had.
Oh, he used power. Did you think of that? At least those bolts are coming out pretty easily.
Yeah, looks good though.
Yeah, pretty rusty. It'd be interesting to see how he's going to get rid of that rust and make it food safe again.
Yeah, really.
Unless he's not going to use it for that. Maybe he's just going to make it pretty. Not everybody uses these things. Sometimes they just want to look at them. WD-40.
Yeah, it works
Where would
every
you
time.
be without it? I know in my big fat Greek wedding it says put some Windex on it. I say put some WD-40 on it.
Your elbow hurts, put it on your elbow.
Well, this guy's got all the moves, doesn't he?
It's just slightly different than ours.
Yeah. T. Mills and Brothers. It's the same. It's like one company. It's either them or Buttercup. That's it. He's really taking this apart. I hope he remembers how it went back together.
Yeah, I know.
He must have taken photos. I'm sure he did. See, this is the type of thing Greg does at Lofty Pursuits.
Does he restore them?
Yes.
Oh,
Greg
he
does
does it
everything. He's a
himself?
one-man band.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's pretty good.
Yeah. There's probably some videos on his channel about it too, Steve.
Wow, that's pretty neat. Pretty talented guy.
Uh-huh. I wonder what that stuff is.
I wonder what that is.
Think it's just a whole bunch of WD-40?
A rust eater?
I don't know. I wish it said. We need more information.
Yeah, I don't know if he's spraying stuff or just like pressure washing stuff off.
Yeah,
No,
I don't know.
Looks like it's sprayed on like a paint. Looks like kind of some kind of a paint.
Like
or
if it
something.
contains the rust?
Or is it a primer or something?
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know that. I don't know anything about restoring metal, so
Yeah, when stuff is rusty, we
Yeah, no.
tend to be done with it.
I pass it off to somebody
Mm-hmm.
else.
Somebody who deals in rust, because I hear rust never sleeps.
Ah,
Okay, so we got it all shined up. Now what? So
nice.
put it on, sand it off.
Pulls off the rust.
Okay, take the
Nice.
rest with it.
Wow, that's
To
cool.
give you that pretty metal underneath.
Wonder if that'll work in my metal plate in my head.
I don't think you're supposed to bring a power tool that close to your head. So he's mixing some paint.
Epoxy.
What? So you have to use a king of clubs? Was it king of clubs or was it spade?
That's great.
This is amazing. Do you have all these tools, Steve?
No.
Christmas is coming.
Oh boy. Oh, that's pretty cool.
See who's doing that in front of air conditioning filters?
Oh, it must be in some kind of an oven.
You're not wrong.
Wow.
It's an easy bake oven.
Oh, look at that. Wow.
Bake it to a high shine.
Wow, that's nice.
Where does one learn how to do this? RestoringCandyEquipment.com.
There's sand. Wow.
Powdered paint. Oh, he's going to bake that on too.
Oh, wow. Wow, look at that.
That's beautiful.
That's nice.
I want one of those.
Wow.
He's always doing it in front of air conditioning filters.
Sweet. Wow. Like brand new again. Wow.
Out with the old. Is that a candy panner he's using?
No.
It's a screw panner.
Wow. Brand new again.
It's amazing. I know I keep saying that, but gosh, it is.
It is.
Did you mean to do that?
Is that wax or something? Wow.
At least T-Mills puts their name on everything. Because some of this old equipment has no markings on it whatsoever.
Yeah.
I think the T is for Thomas, if I'm not mistaken. Can't believe it got so shiny.
I know.
I mean, it looks like pure gold.
Beautiful.
And if you're enjoying this video, you might enjoy our new ASMR channel, Hercules Candy ASMR, and it's linked in the description below.
Oh.
Now the pizza resistance. Don't. Please be careful. Don't hurt him.
Wow.
You know what that is? Acid of some sort?
Oh, they look better.
Clean, but still needs polishing. I wish I could find more of those rollers for our machine. If anybody sees them on eBay, let us know.
Yeah, that'd be cool. That'd be nice. They have different ones.
Yeah, I mean, I go looking for them at least once or twice a year. So I feel like some of them slip through the cracks that I don't have a shot at.
Yeah.
So if you see them out there, folks, please let us know.
Yeah, let us know.
We'd love some more shapes. So we have the ball shape and we have a pill shape.
We have a raspberry shape.
Yeah, a little berry shape, right?
Berry shape.
And I think that's it.
Yeah, I think
Because
so.
the big one, you don't know how to change the...
Big pill shape we're looking for.
Right.
too.
No, we have the pill shape.
Yeah, right. That's what I'm saying.
But you don't know how to change the electric rollers, right?
No, I'll have to. I got to take some time and look at it and get closer and try to pull it apart.
When you're not doing anything?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because I'd like to put in the other shapes.
Yeah, I saw them. Like there's a seashell.
Yeah.
I'd like to very much.
Greg has some, right?
I'm sure he does. Yeah, he's got a whole wall of them.
Right.
Yeah.
But I think he wants to keep them.
Right.
I did poke around and I thought I saw some on eBay, but I never went back because, you know, sometimes I get busy doing stuff that's not being on eBay.
Boy, that's nice.
So this gentleman doesn't ever do any talking?
I haven't watched all his videos, but I haven't seen any talking in any other ones.
Okay. So he's probably kind of like an ASMR too. Okay, yep. I see what you did there, Mr. Restorer.
Oh,
It's so beautiful.
pristine. Wow.
I didn't realize the parts were numbered like that, did you?
No.
I wonder if ours are. They probably are, right?
Probably, yeah.
Bent and broken, I'll make new ones. No doubt. I wonder what happened to this machine when he was done with it. If it ever got used again. If it's just a museum piece. Look at that, make your own screws, are you kidding me?
Wow.
He really knows what he's doing. He's just so precise about everything.
That'd be fun to do if you
Yeah.
had all the equipment.
I know.
That'd be great.
Good retirement thing to do, huh?
Yeah.
So it's riveting.